Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing Fabfitfun Fall 2021 box number 4. Yes, that's right, you heard it. This is my 4th box. I have a annual membership, a seasonal membership, as well as I added 2 boxes on to my annual subscription in the uncustomized add-on category. And I'm just going to walk you through to show you what it is that I picked and what was chosen for me. So in this category, because of the seasonal, I could only choose 4 items. So what I picked for my first item is the Dutch oven. And I think I'll just take this out and I'll come back to it later. So this was my choice for customization number 1. My customization choice number 2 was the Coach necklace. I'm going to open all of these up separately here. I'm just going to take everything out. Customization number 3, I chose the APL backpack, which I plan on giving as a gift. Customization number 4, I chose the socks. And the last 2 categories were chosen for me. Customization number 5, I was sent the after dinner food and drink trivia, as well as the customization bundle number 6 with 3 different products that are new to me somewhat. I did already receive a package of these eco-friendly combs, and I will tell you, I won't open this one because I can actually give this one as a gift. My hair is really thick, as are my daughter's hair, and I did not think that these combs would be good for us, and they are actually wonderful. When we have wet hair, these are fantastic. I am so glad that I was sent those in one of my other uncustomized boxes. I also received something that I have never had before, and I'm actually kind of eager to try. This is what I like about choosing items and letting some be mysteries, because there are some things that I would never choose for myself because I've never used one of these. I don't know how well they work, but I'm happy to give them a try. Just want to see. Okay, so there's a spare part in there. No, that's just mostly like a silica sand. So that's good. So yeah, I'm going to give those a try and see how they work. I'm going to tell you, they do not feel like the best quality. I don't know what eyelash curlers normally feel like. I'm assuming that you only have the one part on the bottom here. Let me know if you know about eyelash curlers. This isn't supposed to go on the top. I imagine that's a replacement part for there. And how often do I have to replace that? But like I said, this does not feel like the greatest quality. I can't even tell if this is real metal. I think this is like a plasticky something or other, or it's a metal that's coated. I don't know. Anyway, I'll give it a try because I have never tried eyelash curlers before. And then this Restore Dr. Rogers lip balm. Lip balms are nice. I've heard this has really good ingredients, and the packaging is just very plain and simple. It is cruelty free, and I do appreciate a more natural type lip product, because when they're on your lips, I feel like a lot of it is being absorbed into your system, either just naturally because you like lick your lips. And like here's what I normally would use, something like a Burt's Bees vanilla, and another all-natural sort of product. So be happy to give this one a try and see how that is. So these I did order for myself. I chose the hat in this category, but I thought I would try the socks. That was the 2 items that I was trying to decide between. You can always use more socks, especially something as simple as this. This is fall season. I do wear boots in the fall, and I'm happy to have a cute pair of boot socks to go with my boots. They're very soft. They're made out of bamboo with a blend. I think it's like a viscose blend as well, actually. So they're an interesting sort of material. We'll see how those hold up. This I won't open because I'm giving it as a gift. This, however, I will open because there were two things that I went back for in a fourth box. It was the Coach set and the Dutch oven. I was really having a hard time choosing between the Uncommon James canisters and cheese board in the first and second customizations, and I did choose those in my first box, but then I was kind of hoping in some of my uncustomized box I might get this set. I did not, so I decided to go back for it. I'm happy to see the backs of my earrings are not bent. This is something that I've seen happen in other boxes. People have said they've been able to bend them back into place with no compromise to the jewelry itself, but I'm happy to see that this comes in perfect condition, and I look forward to wearing those both there. So that's really nice. So I'm happy to get that there. And then this Dutch oven, this box is very small in comparison to what I had in my mind. But I think once you put the lid on, the Dutch oven itself is bigger because this is hand painted. It's interesting to see sort of what the hand dipped paint looks like on my specific container. The reason I didn't choose this at first in one of my customizations was because I was concerned about the size of it. Did not lend to a soup or a stew that I would make for our family. It's just too small of a pot for that, but I do think it would be wonderful for side dishes, and it would be wonderful for a serving dish. I can see putting pierogies in here to serve, or creating a really nice sort of cheese sauce or vegetable dish. The other reason why I didn't pick it at first was because I saw when you put it on the stove, because the material is continuous throughout, the handles get quite hot. And I thought, oh, do I want the finickiness of hot handles to deal with? But I decided in the end that it was just too cute to pass up, and that I would be completely jealous that I did not get one after seeing all of these amazing dishes and table settings with this lovely golden rabbit enamelware. And it says that you can cook, broil, bake, grill, or cut. So that's everything. Did you get the Fabfitfun box? How many Fabfitfun boxes did you get? Is there anybody out there that bought more than me? More than 4. This is the last one. I'm done now. I'm done until winter. It has been fun. They shipped each of these boxes separately to me. I will leave information down below if you're interested in subscribing. It's a seasonal box. It has lifestyle, fitness, kitchenware, household items, clothing. It's cosmetics, interesting items. They're really an all-exclusive box that has so many fun elements, and I love getting a surprise every season. When I did, like I said, got 4 different shipments of this. When I order things in Canada, it does not come to me in the same box. I got 4 separate shipments of all my different boxes. So it was a nice surprise. There was always a Fabfitfun box showing up at my door. So thank you so much for watching. This is a $50 a month subscription, by the way. I'll mention $10 off if you want to use my coupon. I will link down below. It is in Canada, shipping $8. And taxes are about $4 or $5. I never pay any duty. So in total, with an annual subscription, you get $5 off each box. So that makes it $45. You add $5 on for taxes, brings it back up to $50. $8 on top of that brings it to $58. And that's what you're paying US, $58 per box if you're an annual subscriber. And you can choose all of the products that come in your box, and they do give you a great variety of items. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.